Hey guys, today I want to show you this amazing tool and how to use it, and let you know that if you buy 3 Good Face Stuff products, you get it free. Good Face Stuff, mybrand.com. There's links in the description, of course. Let's do it. Darlings, I love this tool. I'm calling it the Purple Dino, and it's really awesome. I love it so much better than the Gua Sha, really, because it has so many more uses. You got these to do the facial release, and you can dig into pressure points. You can use this flat side as more of a Gua Sha or lymph drainage, and it's really useful. Feels really good. It's easier to handle with your hands. Let's go over the utility, shall we? So first, I'm going to lubricate my face with some Lucid Essence Brightening Mist. And I actually like this a little bit better than just putting a few drops of LUX Nourishing Beauty Oil, which is definitely what I always do. A few drops of this fabulous beauty, and especially around my neck. Oh, yes. And just all over. A very nice utility is this space right here where you can just release along the jaw a lot of lymph drainage here. And it's just, your jaw just feels so good in there. So it's a very jaw chiseling experience. And it's just really good for the lymph. The lymph, really good for the lymph. So generally to do lymph drainage, I like this flat one, you're gonna go from the center of your face out and then down along the ears and then along the neck, which feels so good, especially with this flat, just massaging those muscles. But it is lymph draining, so we're getting the circulation happening. Center of the face out and down. Ooh, delicious. Now you can really use this flat side to get into the muscles here, and it's really good for the traps back of the neck, which I don't know anybody with really relaxed traps, but releasing the front of the neck muscles here is very good as well for posture and just to release the tension. Now these little finger thingies, this is one of my favorite things to do with that, is to release around the scalp, because there's muscles in your scalp, and this really helps with forehead lines and neck tension, headaches. Just get in there and fluff up your hair. I'm not very ambidextrous, so this is a little hard switching hands, but it's doable. It's probably good to be ambidextrous, or try. Oh. And when you get to a sore spot, you wanna linger in that area. Oh, like the temple, or just, you'll be surprised going around the scalp. There'll be some spots where you're just like, ooh, that feels interesting. You could just use your hands. Of course, you could just use your hands. And of course, there's a lot of links to facial exercises with just your hands in the description. Now these little points, you can really get into pressure points like right there, anywhere along your forehead lines. You can go around the temples. I mean, it's a little pointy for there, but I like the 2 prongs right in there, the muscles into the temple. You get into your jaw. And there's little pressure points around the eye. There's even sinus relieving pressure points right here. It's a little hard. It's a little pointy for this. I would use my fingers on that area. Now with these little fingerly deals, you can get into releasing the fascia just very gently at first. Crosshatch. So now to release the fascia, darlings, around where your wrinkle lines exist. So the fascia gets bunched up wherever you happen to have an expression line, right? Wrinkles, that's where your expression lines are. So to release those, we're going to cross-hatch over the wrinkles. So if the wrinkles are down, we're gonna go across it horizontally, right? Or if you got the furrow lines, you're gonna go horizontally. Oh, it's delicious. You have expression lines like this, like I do, you're gonna go vertically. You get it. Oh, feels delicious. You're going pretty lightly. Now to get into the muscles, you can go a little deeper, and it feels really good. You can go along the cheek, into the hairline. You can use the flat side into the hairline. And one of my favorite things to do is use this rounded spot to dig into this jaw muscle, which if you have TMJ, you really want to release that. So you open your mouth, then you press back into the muscle and you slowly close your mouth like this. Feels so good. Open. Ooh, it's delicious. You really feel a release. It reminds me of when I was wearing the Aura Lift and I had that ear opening, the eustachian tube from your ear to your mouth opening. You can feel it. Now along these expression lines, I haven't done a lot of this, but I do wonder if it would work. That's the main use, is go against the expression lines in a little cross hatch action. And then pressure points. And I do a little bit on the crow's feet, but you definitely want to lubricate. I always lubricate with some LUX Nourishing Beauty Oil on that area. Very light. I've also seen this done, windshield wiping around the eyebrow. And I hope I don't smear my eyebrow all over the place. But to release around that area. This feels delicious. If you have nasolabial folds, kind of lift them up and cross hatch as well. Get in there, and actually these little thumbs might be better for that cross hatching. And just sort of massage it out. Lifting. It's very useful, delightful as well. It's my favorite tool. And now you guys can get one free if you buy 3 skincare products from Good Face Stuff. Darlings, I love it. So useful, it even can stand flat. Okay, that's it. What do you guys think? Do you have any cool techniques that you like using this tool? Has it worked for you with any wrinkles? Let us know. Bye.